In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Fox Sports app on a mobile device. Please open up your mobile device like you normally would. You could do this process both on iOS and on Android devices. For this video, I'm going to be using an Android. So please look for the Google Play Store, which is going to look something like this, and it's an app that's already come default with your device. So here's the icon right over here, and you just want to go ahead and click on it. Now, what you want to do is you want to go to the bottom menu and make sure to select on search. You also need to make sure that you are signed in to your Google account in order for this to work. And of course, if you're using the App Store, you're going to need to make sure you are signed in with your Apple ID. All right, then all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar right here. And now just look up Fox Sports and then go ahead and just enter that in. And you should be able to find it right over here. So this is Fox Sports, and this is incredibly useful. It's going to allow you to watch the World Cup. So it also is in English as well. You just want to go ahead and press on install. All right, you may need to go ahead and enter in your password or something like that in order to actually install it. So please be prepared to do that. And then afterwards, you will notice that the Fox app is now going to be installed. All right, and then afterwards, it's going to bring you to something that looks like this. And you're able to select on your interest. But for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and skip. And then from here, you're able to go ahead and begin using it. So you can go ahead and begin using it. And as you're able to tell, we do have the World Cup coming very soon. So on June 11th, you're going to be able to go ahead and actually start using this and begin using Fox in order to watch it in English. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.